Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt, and this is a quick clip of a day in Marrakesh. Alright, so now we're driving into the center of the city. As soon as we get there, we're going to walk to the market. When we walk to the market, I'm going to show you a really unique place that we found. And after that, we're just going to walk through the market a little bit more. Enjoy. I just started making travel videos, so if you have any suggestions, or if you have any comments or questions, please put them down in the comment section below. The suggestions will definitely help me out, and it'll help me make better videos for you in the future. So please don't hesitate to write something down there. I would really appreciate it. Hey guys, so we're here in Marrakesh. Right now we're in the center of the souks. This is amazing. It looks like the highest building in the souks, which is a market. I want you to check it out. I want you to Google Marrakesh and check out all the history behind this place. But if you look over here, it's the main mosque. It's really beautiful. And you can see we're literally on top of the souks, which is really cool. The Atlas Mountains are in the background over there, and you should definitely check it out. Past the Atlas Mountains is the Sahara Desert. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and a little bell icon too so you can be notified when I post any other future videos. Thanks again, and take it easy.